drawing going, you know? Yeah, that's what it is, man. Word up, ASAP Rocky. What up, my nigga?
Count down the arm.
Venrap
Count down the arm. Get.
Radio.
Still the Venrap Radio. Hey man, hey. I remember back in the days, zika dito we are so good. That's Chibuya. Yes, those were the days, Mare. As you can't still not rock, eh? You can still do what you know you're good at. And Zoraro, you still party like nobody's business. So there's a next track in the world because na yapo ndiye Makhadzi no vidzo my Yellowbone. And the track in here where you feature Prince Benza. Hey, mara Makhadzi neno na mafungo. Hapo ndi musiku sumbedziswa the way ne. Awori my Yellowbone afuniwa, ngongwana. Afuniwa manda. Abana ndifuna the black beauty ngane pa. Suzoraro, hang on. So this is another track that I'm gonna be telling you what I think, how I feel about the track, and yeah. Wow, man. Okay, so this track, guys, let me tell you. When I first heard the track, which side I was? I think I was in Roddy. Yeah, I was at Roddy Port. Yeah, Roddy Port. Coming back to Jules, yeah. Then I'm listening like, yeah, who the heck is this now? Then I'm like, oh shit, Makhadzi man. The track in Yabori is praising my Yellowbone, yeah. Ngafuya go praise the Black Beauty. Come on. So uri angerinda ngerwani vatu varwani ningi mijaivoni dziko vuya mini. Utongari huna vane varengelesiwa. Avana vanorengela zvituku. Guys, what do you think? Is it true uri Yellowbone ayarengeliwa badi kana is it all about uri the present of the chick, the present of the girl, the present of the lady, the present of the woman? Arambe bungo. Is it ndava yori mutu usedzenga ndilade kana hutowina uri ni Yellowbone arani Black Beauty, you don't really stand a chance or chimwe zivana kwambarele kwanu zivaka the wena difarangayo zini watu vanibonisa zone. I don't know, you guys can also tell us, but I think zivana kori present ya musingisuka watu ni na kwambarele the wena bangayo watu wachinibona ne wabona kunirengera ngobona. So I love the song, guys. It's like lichiko rapa lati liko di chase my Yellowbone, chase my zone. Okay, come on. I can't sing, guys. I can't sing. Yeah, this is also one track Nenda Filori on this album. It stands out, eh? It really does it for the album. It really carries the album. It can be a single on its own and still dominate the charts, man. It can still be sitting out there at number one. Like, yeah, it's flipping great song. I love it. It's a song that come on, but you go jive my Yellowbone, I go jive my Black Beauty, and I never do the join up, but I never joining an apple, but it was around. But yeah, man, I feel it's one track in a people are not really yet paying attention to it, but I know this song will peak now. In the one track another peak, the track in here, I'm hoping there will be a music video. I know people might say, come on, dude, again. Yeah, man, it doesn't matter. The track in here is sitting like on number 8. Music, YouTube Music South Africa right now. It got trend like number 8. So it's there, man. I still see it going number 1 if possible if it get pushed. But I love the song. The song features Prince Benza, my Yellowbone, the Makhadzi, the African Queen in the album. Yo fana plangazi 3 kana ngadwala vuraru language of September. One beautiful Libra Monday. Yeah, ngoraro. What would man? So yeah, man, this song really does it for me. It does it for me. Come on. Huitazi tu wakwamba ne pori. During the track inela dori ichiko rapa lani. Nona watu wachipasoko bana jive zingwe wati diwa kusoko ya ninge na don't got to practice you. It got that feeling, it got that theme, got that thing that will take you from the ground to the dance floor, man. up there, man. It will take you from the ground floor to the upstairs and dance. If you go in the club, level because you want to be seen. You're proud of your black beauty. You're proud of being a Yellowbone. You're proud of being who you are. Come on, the track yeah, man. It really got that vibe. So I'm jamming to this song. How about you guys? Are you jamming to this song like me? Eh? Are you joining me to jam this song, to drop this song everywhere you go? If you can like, you can comment, and then yeah, man, you can also share. Damn, one of my trucks is running out of battery. Okay, so you guys can tell everyone. Hi. It's a no or it's a thumbs up. But for me, I'm giving it up. Yeah, man. Telling you. Album guy. That's how I promised, and I'm doing that. Ndinifuna zone watu ne ngazina ndiduka nsuwana ndingwana ndwa mahongoni ende nsongo hangwa ushare ucomment no like no revuzori ndizipyo zingona kofino recheke zone amara here ndayandona.